Hola my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be decluttering and getting rid of all of the Christmas decorations. I don't know about you guys, but I can only stare at my Christmas tree for so long before I get tired of it, and we always wait until a little bit after the new year because the boy's birthday is the first week of January. So we want to get this place nice and clean before their birthday. But if you like these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I just had to show you guys this little gingerbread ornament Parker made at school. And then these name ornaments, I got them from an Etsy shop. I'm going to have them linked down below. They're so beautiful, and I absolutely love how small and dainty they are. And I wish I didn't have to put them away, but I have to. Okay, so now let's work on the tree. This tree is 10.5 feet tall, so you can only imagine the amount of work that goes into a tree like this. I'm starting to roll up all of the lights. Now, keep in mind that this was a pre-lit tree, but it had that like yellow lighting, and we are not about that yellow lighting. So this year we decided to get new lights, and they are the bright white LED lighting, and we love it. This little wheel also I'm obsessed with, and then the other lights, I don't even know how many lights I had in here, you guys. Probably like 500 plus, no lie. So let's get rid of them all. Time to take down the tree, and Andrew helped me because this is way too tall and way too heavy for me. So we put half of the tree in the storage bin, and then the other half where it came in, and then we put away all the lights. Moving on to the mantle, I'm just kind of putting everything in this storage bin. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of stuff in there that I didn't get to use, but yeah, I think I liked it better this year because everything was so minimal. Moving on to the kitchen area, I'm taking down these little trees and the Merry Christmas sign and the garland. The Joy bottles up top were a DIY, and I kid you not, they're still up there to the day because I have no idea how to decorate this area. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below because I don't know what to do. So now I'm going to move on to this area. This was probably my most favorite one of all, putting away those little trees that I got from the Target dollar spot, my countdown, the little snow globe, and everything looks so bare. I can't. We need decorating in here ASAP. Now the stairs were also my favorite. I don't know. I pretty much loved every part, but taking that down and putting it away. In the master bedroom, all I had was this Merry Christmas banner that I love, and I think I also got it from Target Dollar Spot, or it might have been like $5. And our little mini tinsel tree that I love. It's so cute, and it adds a little bit of spark into our bedroom, and then the boys have one in their bedroom as well, so I had to put those away. Everything is packed up now. I'm getting ready to put all of this in storage, and I am thinking about other ways to decorate my house for the spring and all of that. So give me ideas if you have any. I know I owe you guys a house tour because I get messages on Instagram talking about house tour all the time. So I will, so bear with me please. Say I'm exhausted. You guys have no idea. I'm gonna leave everything in this room because both of my kids are sleeping in the same room right now. To get all this stuff back in the attic is just gonna be so much trouble. So we're just gonna leave it here. If we do ever need to put this in the attic door is just right there. So it's really not that far, but for now, we're just gonna store that in here and shut the door. Alright you guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this Undecorate with me. The house looks super bare and there's nothing on my walls, but it's okay because it feels less cluttered, and I cannot wait to start decorating for like the other seasons like spring and Valentine's Day and all of that. So I am slowly trying to kind of organize things in the house how I like them and stuff like that. But if you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other videos you want to watch next. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!